Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while since I made a paneer recipe. So today's recipe is a Paneer Chettinad curry. So I thought this was a complicated recipe, but it turned out to be pretty simple. The ingredients list is given in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, share and comment. So let's jump right into the recipe. To begin with, we have to make a masala, for which I've taken coconut, whole spices, red chilli and a little bit of oil in a pan. I'm going to just roast this for a few minutes until all the spices give out their fragrance. So this should take around 5 minutes time and the coconut will slightly change color. Now we'll cool this and make a paste out of this. In another pan, I've taken some oil. I'm adding in some curry leaves to it. Then I'm going to add the ground paste and let this cook for a few minutes. Now I'm adding ginger to this and then allow it to cook for another minute. Once the masala is cooked nicely, now add the red chilli powder and the turmeric powder. Mix well and add in the chopped tomatoes. Now we'll cook the tomatoes until they turn soft. Once the tomatoes have softened, we'll add in the paneer pieces to this. Mix gently so that the masala coats the paneer. And now we'll let this cook for 5 minutes. Once the paneer is cooked for 5 minutes, I'm adding in some hot water and also add in salt to taste and lime juice. Mix everything together and let it cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, the paneer curry is ready. I'm going to add some coriander leaves on top and remove it from the fire. Do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new video. Until then, bye-bye.